We're ready.
Oh, hey, we're live? Hello everyone, this is Chris Kane from AudioControl coming to you live from our factory offices located just outside of Seattle, Washington. And excited to be here at the 2020 CEDIA Virtual TechBites event, albeit virtually. Today we're going to talk about the Director 2.0. Now AudioControl has long been a groundbreaking company when it comes to distributed audio amplification and DSP solutions. The Director 2.0 platform allows us to take that technology and those applications to a whole other level that will benefit integration companies as well as the residential clients. So let's take a look at the Director 2.0 series here. Now the backbone of this is a DSP network that allows us a number of key features, including remote monitoring capabilities of temperature, protection mode, and status. But the new GUI interface you'll see here is very exciting as it gives easy access of key features and functions without having a number of too many drop-down menus. One of the highlights, of course, of audio control amplification is our ability to provide graphic and parametric equalization. And then expanded feature set is we have 8 different parametric equalization circuits as well as 6 different equalization graphic that can be done individually, or you can split for separate left and separate right controls. Additionally, AudioControl has our Sound Partner Speaker Profiles program where we work with a number of speaker manufacturers and have a library of over 200 different speaker designs that are actually built into the Director equalization circuit. New feature for this year in terms of the 2.0 GUI is a pink noise generator built in. So now integration companies have the ability, or integrators and calibrators, to turn on a pink noise feature, play pink noise through the entire system, and then perform the calibration, making that process that much easier, and in that case much more accurate. AudioControl has long been known for innovation, and our new SDS circuitry allows for that. That allows an integrator to actually plug in a source like a doorbell or a phone system and identify that specific input and then select which channels that signal is going to go out to, whether it be for a main zone or an outdoor space or the baby's room or not. And additionally, you'll have the ability to set different levels so when that signal does play, it doesn't blow the system too loud or anything along those lines. Like all audio control amplifiers, the Director series is manufactured here at our factory in Seattle, Washington, and will be available as a feature for all the new Directors that are shipping this month. For more information, go to www.audiocontrol.com. Thanks everybody for your time today. Microphone drop.